Hamsini and you're watching Hamsini's Crochet World. In this video, you'll be learning a half double crochet stitch. This is like the basic crochet stitches that I'm uploading. This is the part 3 video. If you haven't checked out the part 1 and part 2, I'll put the link in the description down below. Please do check out those videos first. So you will learn how to make a slip knot, chain, single crochet and double crochet. So you can come back to this video once you have done with that. Let's dive in. Happy crocheting!
So let's get started with making a slip knot first. To make a half double crochet, you also need a chain or a single crochet base. So just we'll be doing a slip knot first. Now let's get started with making a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So that will be what the height of the half double crochet. We will be making the half double crochet from the second chain from the hook, and first thing you should be doing is yarn over, put it in the chain, yarn over, pull it through, hold. You should be having 3 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull it through all the 3 loops. That's our first half double crochet. So we'll do it again. Yarn over, in chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Second half double crochet. So insert the hook, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull it through, hold, yarn over, pull it through all the 3 loops, yarn over, into the hook, yarn over, into the chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through all the 3 loops. So that's our half double crochet. Keep practicing making these stitches so that's how you'll get perfection. And if you have seen in any pattern that says HDC and abbreviations, that's called half double crochet. Now you know what half double crochet is. So yarn over, in the chain, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Oops. Yarn over, in the chain, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through all the 3 loops. Yarn over, in the chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, in the chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. That's half double crochet. We are going to get to the end, last chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through all the 3 loops. Now we have our half double crochet done. So to continue making the half double crochet for your practice, chain 1, that will be the length, yarn over, go under these 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through, hold. You should always have 3 loops, and pull it through all the 3 loops, yarn over, hold, pull through all the 3 loops. Yarn over into the chain, yarn over, pull it through all the 3 loops. So this is how it goes. Continue till the end. Make sure you get it right. It's okay if you make mistake. You can always pull this yarn. I'll show you. You can just pull this yarn to undo the stitch and go back in the loop. Then start over again. So don't worry if you're making any kind of mistakes. It's quite common. It's all in the learning process, so it's okay to make mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. Insert the hook, pull it through, yarn over. So we are in the last stitch. Okay, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. There we have this pretty looking half double crochet. This half double crochet is one of my go-to stitch while making any projects.